Want to mute a group on WhatsApp for iPhone to stop the constant notifications? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to mute a group, you will need to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone and find the specific group chat you want to silence. Swipe from right to left on that chat. A menu will appear. Tap on More. Tap on the mute option. Simply tap on this option, choose the desired duration, like 8 hours, 1 week, or always, and confirm to mute the group chat on your iPhone. A speaker icon will appear on that chat. This tells you that the person is muted. And that's how you can mute a group on WhatsApp for iPhone, giving you control over the notifications you receive. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.